PTC is a global software company that enables industrial and manufacturing companies to digitally transform how they engineer, manufacture, and service physical products that the world and you and I use every day. We employ over 7,000 workers across the globe in over 30 countries and serve more than 25,000 customers.
Our partnership with ADP is really positive. Before we began implementation with ADP Global Payroll, all of our payrolls were done on Excel spreadsheets.
We started our global payroll transformation 2 years ago, trying to get alignment with our people and our processes.
When we started this project, we had 28 disparate systems, and with the help of ADP, we have consolidated to one common platform.
We leveraged the expertise of the ADP local partners during implementation, so we have confidence that our payrolls are set up accurately and according to the local legislation. It saved us about half of a full-time equivalent from manual work that the payroll team was inputting, and now employees have the power to update their own information directly in ADP.
We've discovered going through this process with ADP that we have found more opportunities for standardization, definitely more efficiencies, and I have a lot more confidence in our overall compliance.
We've received really positive feedback from our employees. We're also receiving positive feedback across the globe for these countries who finally have a portal to log into. They really enjoy being able to get the information that they need.
As we look ahead, this transformation will enable us to scale as the business grows, will provide for a much better employee experience and better data and decision-making for the business.